Hey guys, it's Beth. Today I'll be using this tea towel from Hobby Lobby and this cutting board from Walmart. I took home Decor wax by Folkart and a sponge brush and sponged on the wax on the entire cutting board. And again, I got this at Walmart and I found it in the craft section. And I took this tea towel, which was from Hobby Lobby, and it was in with the fall decor, so it ended up being about $2. So I just cut out right around the little image on the towel. And then I went around and frayed all the edges, just pulling out some of the strings. Next, I took the piece that I had cut out and flipped it over, so I'm working with the back side of it. And I applied some Mod Podge to the back of it and did a generous layer because it is a thicker material. And I did not want to put it on the cutting board because I wanted to make sure just to get behind the towel. After I had the Mod Podge on the back of it, I placed it where I wanted it to go. Just eyeballed the placement, used my heating tool, and then pushed down with some saran wrap to get out any wrinkles. Once I had that layer dry, I did an outer layer on top of the image of Mod Podge. Again, using my heating tool to dry that completely. Next, I took some twine that I got from Dollar Tree, left a little bit hanging, and then took the remainder of it and wrapped it around a bunch of times. I did not count, I just went with how I liked the look of it. And then I trimmed up, leaving excess, tied it really tight in a knot. And then I took some beads, which were also from Dollar Tree. I strung on 2 of them on one of the pieces of twine, knotted it a few times at the end of the bead, and then cut off the excess. And then did the same thing on the other piece of twine, but doing 3 beads. That's it for this project. Thank you guys so much for watching.